The full support qualitative fit test kit is available in two varieties, bitter or sweet, containing Bitrex or saccharin solutions. Inside this lightweight kit you will find a detailed instructions for use guide with step-by-step illustrations, 20 fit test report sheets to meet legal record keeping standards, an HSE regulation compliant hood, 12 inches in diameter, 14 inches tall, with a clear front panel and 3/4 inch hole in front of the breathing zone, and a collar set featuring body straps for stability. You will also find a pre-cut foam tray for upright storage of your sensitivity and fit test nebulizers. You will find sensitivity and fit test solutions in ampule containers to avoid spillage, wastage, and potential contamination. And finally, an easy-to-use maintenance pack. Our unique combination of HSE compliant hood, detailed step-by-step instruction guide, and individual hygienically packaged solution ampules make this the industry-leading fit test kit on the market. To order your full support qualitative fit test kit, call today on 01933 672 180, visit www.fullsupporthealthcare.com, or email us at info@fullsupportgroup.com. Thank you.